Hello everyone, this is Steve welcoming you to another Unity tutorial series. This one's going to be a little bit shorter. I think what I decided to probably do, I notice my videos can sometimes be very long since I can, walk through and show you the new changes and all that such going on with the game tutorial, the game in general. So I think I'm probably going to break that up into, the first part, just showing you what's changed in the game and maybe just setting the second part for the Blender video for those who are interested in adding and implementing the models into the game. I'm going to do that especially since right now, due to some computer issues I've had for the last month or so, which is why there's been such a delay, I figured it would be better to separate these two anyway, because I really haven't come up with any new Blender models yet because of all these issues. I'm just going to show you what I've started with, but some of the bigger stuff to come that I've been watching and learning from other videos would be to have more intelligent, alien animation. I'm sorry, not alien animation. I mean alien. I'm not sure why I'm stuck on the word alien. Zombie artificial intelligence is what I'm trying to say. So zombie AI, where you can, walk around with the gun and you can shoot them and stuff like that, and obtain a score factor and just stuff like that I've seen on videos. So that's going to be to come. I know I can really get stuck on the models, but I'm just not going to sit there and waste time talking about that. Let me just kind of show you what's going on. And also, I've made another video, but I didn't upload it since I ran out of time on that one. But also, I finally got a new graphics card, and I've got 16 gigabyte memory going on here. So I've got a lot of good things going, so it shouldn't really be real jerky and jittery and laggy, hopefully. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. So let's get this running. I may need to pause it. Okay, so I'm now inside the game itself, and based on some good videos I found online, I was able to go ahead and add like some arms, and I added the gun and just kind of stuck it in the model's hand here, and if I press the fire button here, I've got, actually I did have it working. There it goes, you can see the little flash from the gun. I found that on another channel, so I don't know why it's not shooting over here, but I might need to figure out what that is, but anyways, it's some of the things that I've been working on. You can't really shoot the zombies, and also the zombies will kind of just ignore you to get close to them now. But I want to fix that because I found the gamer developer, for one guy, he really has a great, understanding of this, and he shows you how to create better. These guys are also walking in the ground against better artificial intelligence or AI. But generally, that's all I've done with the game, other than say Sinew and which I've already had all this going on. But I've added many more, so there's mobs and mobs of them now. And there's even more way over there. They would just keep chasing me forever. But one of the newer things I've done here, this is going to be kind of silly, but I'll show you the elevator here. I showed the elevator before. Oops. What did I do there? I have to go up. So I can kind of go up in the elevator there. But I've always been able to do that before, so I'm just going to go up here and I'll fall forward through the ceiling there for a minute. You guys have all seen this. I'm going to take it up to the roof, but he'll get stuck right here and he'll fall out right there. So I'm going to go back outside. Drop down here. Oops, I got to get past all these crazy zombies. I'm just going to jump on top of this building here. And I'll push the elevator through the top here. It's already there. So I can kind of ride around in the elevator now. I know it's kind of silly, but it's kind of an implementation later. If I want to create like a flying vehicle, I actually can now, since I can move around. And it also rotates. I said I really haven't done a lot because my computer crashed and I had to reinstall Unity all over again. One of these rotates. I think it's this one. Oh, no, this one moves it forward. You guys see I'm moving kind of forward there now. And, oh, it's the plus and the minus. So the plus and the minus is what allows me to rotate it. So initially I could take this elevator anywhere I wanted. do some, and I can also go backward and forward here. Let's say I needed to get over that bridge for some reason and kind of see what's going on. Instead of walking all the way over there or removing my FPS player, I can now just move my elevator over there. A little flying elevator. I have it set on a slower speed here, so it's going to be kind of take a little bit of time to get over there. But I had to do that because otherwise I'll fall out of the elevator. See, now I'm up next to the bridge. Now if I wanted to come down, I just use the page up and down keys and I can move around. Insert kind of moves me forward. Of course, I can focus my attention. I don't fall out of it first. It's kind of some kind of silly stuff I've come up with, but see a closer up view of the bridge here. So if I wanted to test something, let's say, I know I had a zombie over here, so let's say I wanted to test whether this zombie was working properly on the bridge here. I could go instantly over to the bridge, and I could just check out, the newer changes and see what's going on with it. I might have moved him. He was on here. Yeah, I guess I moved him somewhere else. Forward here a little bit. I don't want to bore you with the whole elevator scene here, but I think it's kind of cool. I mean, I can actually get up on this elevator now too. I'll show you. Just to kind of show you what's going to. Oops, I went up. Let's go left. I should have went this way, so I should have done. I need to refocus this way so I can go back this way, so I don't end up running into that bridge post again. There, now I'm a little bit past it. Turn and move it around there. Now I can just instantly drop it down here. So I get on the bridge. Now I'm actually on the bridge. Just like that. And there's my little elevator. So see, so that's some of the kind of cool stuff that, the reason why I like this elevator. Just the kind of fun stuff you can do in Unity. Once you start getting around to playing with, models and just having fun and everything. I'm going to turn around again. I don't think I've done anything else yet with it. Whoops. Delete takes you backward. You got to be careful because you can fall right out. So I'm just going to turn it around again here. Kind of show you a view of the city there. Up a little bit just to make sure I'm not going to run into the post when I move. And now you can see me moving forward. So generally that's all I've really done. So like I said, I didn't want to make this video very long. At most, trying to think if there's anything else I'd done. I don't think there was anything else. Just, shooting the gun and everything. For some reason it does not want to shoot up here. Figure out why. I also need to fix the coloring on these buildings and on the textures and everything. I haven't really spent a lot of time. Like I mentioned in the actual tutorial video I have for the Google Hangouts, I create real simple models because I can always go back later and I can re-edit them and change them. It's just a way of, creating faster videos for people. But as I go forward, I might create a more advanced tutorial for Blender. I could really design, at this point, I think I'm confident enough where I could really design like entire worlds if I wanted in Blender. But the whole point of this was to really show how you can implement them and put them into Unity and stuff like that. And here's the original lab. There's the Empire so-called States building, I guess, and then the hospital and everything. So. So yeah, I think that's about all I was going to do in this video. You can see the zombies moving down there now. So you can see all of them now. There were some over here, and then they actually ended up combining together. For some reason, they seem to walk in giant pairs, so I want to fix that and try to figure out why they're walking in pairs like that. It's because they all find one central location and they kind of stay on it. Now, the really cool thing here is actually also I can go right back down to the zombies. Just like I did on the bridge. You see how, oops, I just stuck myself in something here. So I can get out of this mess. Oh, I ended up on top of the thing, so the elevator must have went through the floor or something. Let's see, where is it? There it is. So I could just walk off of here, and I can bring the elevator back down. I'm going to get attacked by the zombies now, because they all found me. It's kind of weird, isn't it? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I know there wasn't anything just to kind of just demonstrate. Like I mentioned, I'm going to try to break them up, and maybe we'll come up with a newer model or just something in general. The scripts I've added are just basically extracts of things I found in the Unity community. So hopefully the Google Hangouts will be more interesting, and we can learn more information and more things that way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe, and definitely look forward to seeing you guys on September 3rd at about 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And yeah, we'll have a great hangout. Now the Hangouts also is going away, for those who don't know. I think it's September 12th. It's going to be taken over by YouTube Live, so we'll just enjoy the final stages of Google Hangouts. I'm looking forward to seeing what YouTube Live is all about too, since I'm sure it's going to probably, promote YouTube more in general. So thanks for watching, guys.